Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janie Salazar, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this charcoal glitter mask from Global Beauty Care. And I got this from Christmas. I got this for Christmas. My mother-in-law gave it to me. Shout out to my mother-in-law, always spoiling me. I love you. Anyways, I'm going to be reviewing this mask. I'm going to put it on. That's why I have no makeup on. I haven't done a mask in like maybe over a year, to be honest with you guys. All I do is wash my face, just clean my face with some wipes, and that's it. I'm not going to be lying to you. Since I got this, I'm going to go ahead and make a review over it. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I got Jessica back there watching me doing this video. Yeah, I need someone that I'm used to so I can be myself around the camera because I'm still getting used to it. Comes with a little silicone applicator. So let me go ahead and put my hair back as always. I'm wearing my bride robe that I bought for my wedding, of course, for me to wear while I'm getting ready. Y'all like bride? You could probably barely see it. Oh, in the back. Oh, you gotta see this. You probably can't see it. That's why I didn't really like it, because I chose a silver colored thread for the Miss Salazar on the back and bride, so you could barely see it. I should have picked like a dark gray or something that shows up. But it's okay. I still like it. Directions. It says, thoroughly clean and dry your face with the warm water. Men, make sure to shave first. Well, in that case, my man can't wear it because he has a full beard and he will not shave. Men wearing glitter mask? No way. That's not going to happen. It says, we recommend to do a patch test first. Spread evenly, face avoiding eyes, hairline, and lips. Okay. Wear mask until completely dry. This may take 20 to 30 minutes. Gently peel off in a downward or upward. It's pretty much a motion from outer edges. Rinse off all remaining residue with warm water. If you cannot peel off mask, then rinse off with warm water. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, nothing new. But I already washed my face. I already cleaned my face with wipes. All that good stuff. So my face is pretty clean. Let me apply it with this applicator. What does this remind me of? Oh my god, you know what it reminds me of? The smell? Malibu rum. Yes, that's what it reminds me of. It smells just like it, you guys. Does it have alcohol in it? Yes, it does. Does it have rum in it? No, it doesn't. I haven't done one of these charcoal masks in a while. In a good while. All the glitter in there. That's so cool. I probably put a little way too much. My son and hubby are in the room. I could hear my baby just screaming. This makes it even easier to apply. Like, I'm so glad they have this applicator. Jessica, I see you recording, baby girl. You should see the mess we made. Ooh, it's not supposed to get in my... Maybe I'll get drunk eating this charcoal. Oh, it got on my eyebrows. It's okay. It's okay. It's not supposed to go down here, but whatever. So how cool do I look with charcoal glitter mask? That's Storm. The big bad wolf looking dog. not sure if it's supposed to go under your nose, but yeah, we'll see. Do you approve, Jessica? I guess I'm done. This applicator came in handy. Yay! I'm done. Now I'll be back in 20 to 30 minutes. I'm not supposed to be eating pizza, but let me hurry up and eat it really fast. My cousin Jessica came over and I had to grab one real fast before hubby comes because I'm not supposed to be eating pizza. Okay, so I'm back after an hour later. I know I said 20 to 30 minutes, but I took a while because since I did a very thick coat, it did take a long time for it to dry. You have to wait for it. Don't really go based off like what the box says. Go based off how dry you feel the charcoal. So I'm going to go ahead and try to peel it off already. I can say it's a very thick mask because it makes my face very stiff. I can't even smile. I was trying to take pictures right now and I couldn't smile. So I had to do some serious faces or some duck lips like this. Let me go ahead and peel it off. I'm going to start at the bottom. It's pretty cool though. All that glitter makes it look very diva. Diva charcoal. See, it didn't even dry up all the way, but I wanted to hurry up and take it off already. Oh, it hurts. Caution is advised. It does hurt when you peel off a mask. A charcoal mask. Ooh. My face is red. It's making my eyes watery. Okay, halfway there, you guys. Halfway there. I got some on my eyebrow, but it's okay. Look at my eyes. They're so watery. I hate how dark it gets so fast, you guys. Time flies and it's barely 6 o'clock and it gets really dark outside. Baby daddy over there is telling me to yank it off. And it's off. Yay! Wow. It peeled off some of my facial hair. Jesus. Well, I still have some spots that I need to go wash off, but let me try taking it off with some wipes. Well, it does say that after peeling off the mask, go wash off the rest with some warm water. But I'm going to try to remove it with this wipe, which it's not working, so I'll probably have to go and wash my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back from washing the rest of the charcoal that was on my face, and it didn't take me more than 5 minutes to wash it off, so it wasn't that hard to take it off with some warm water. So overall, I rate this product a good 5. It works as well as any other charcoal mask I've tried before. I've tried like 3 other charcoal masks that I've purchased from Amazon, and I think they all work the same, except this one has some glitter in it. And who doesn't like glitter, right? So yeah, I really do like this product. Glitter charcoal. Try it out. So I'll go ahead and put the product in the description so you guys could check it out if you ever want to, you know, buy a charcoal mask, a glitter charcoal mask. I do want to say that if you put too much, it's going to drip. And one thing it did do to me was stain my pretty robe. But I'm pretty sure you could take that off easily with some warm water. It's okay. But if you guys want me to do another video next, anything in particular, just let me know. Comment below.
Thank you for watching.